Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Brahmam official trailer.
Yes, so
And
we
this is
have
most probably Malayalam movie trailer.
yes, because we have Prithviraj Sukumaran
Yes.
sir, Unni Mukundan, Mamta Mohandas, Rashi Khanna. Okay, in this movie, so the casts of this movie is
Starring
cast Prithviraj sir, obviously Unni sir, Mamta, and Rashi Khanna, and the movie is directed by Ravi K Chandran, written by Sara Balan, and produced by AP International and Viacom 18 Studios.
And this
And
video is going to release on Amazon Prime.
Amazon Prime. Okay, on 7th of October, available only in India. Okay. So I don't know in which languages this movie is going to be released.
This will be Malayalam movie because they have written hashtag Malayalam movie on Prime.
On Prime, so probably we can have English subtitles because in Amazon Prime, right? But
They
the main
provide.
language will be Malayalam only.
yes.
So last movie we have seen जो एक था ना इसमें suspense horror movie था जो we have seen. There also Prithviraj sir was there and
Okay,
it was
got it, right.
phenomenal movie. Yes, we really loved that movie. We also I think have shared our review. I don't remember,
Yes,
but
that
that
Girls
movie,
Murder
Girls
was-
Murder, yes.
Yes.
So I don't remember unfortunately the name, but yes, that
probably.
movie was also superb. And actually पृथ्वीराज सर ऑलवेज ऐसा टाइप के
He's a-
मूवी करते
he's a
हैं जो
very
जिसमें
decent
सस्पेंस
kind of,
रहता
actor
है
also,
his
right?
eyes always speak.
Yes.
His eyes, he is having a great height, and the way he expresses himself, it is commendable.
Right.
Okay,
And
we
also
really love his
also,
acting skill.
like a police officer and
हाँ,
those
वो-
kind of acting, it suits
बहुत
on him.
अच्छा
He was
लगता है।
police officer in that movie,
In that
right?
movie, yes. वो भूत का भी
So
था,
let's see
suspense
what's
भी था।
his becoming in this movie.
इन दिस मूवी मुझे लग रहा है भ्रमम, इसमें मुझे सस्पेंस थ्रिलर लग रहा है
Suspense
नाम
because
से,
नाम।
बट वी डोंट नो, we have to see and get to know about that. So let's get started. But उससे पहले if you're new to this channel, please subscribe channel guys, and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
या तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
ഈ ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രശ്നം എന്താണെന്നറിയോ? കാഴ്ചയുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ കാഴ്ചപ്പാടില്ല. ചില കാര്യങ്ങൾ അറിയാൻ എന്തിനാണ് കണ്ണ്? യു ക്യാൻ ഫീൽ ഇറ്റ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ മ്യൂസിക്.
Wow. Oh, he is blind. AP International. Wow.
Ray Matthews, the only handsome blind musician in town.
Maestro of blind tunes.
Full romance.
What a performance!
Oh,
ആരാ മരിച്ചത്?
ഈ സീനിൽ ഒരു ഉഗ്രൻ ട്വിസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്.
ഞാൻ CID രാംദാസ് ആണ്.
Oh.
he's in CID.
കാശ്, പണം, തുട്ട്, മണി മണി.
നീ കൊലപാതകം കണ്ട?
ഞാനങ്ങനെ കാണാനാ സാർ.
നിന്റെ അഭിനയമൊക്കെ അങ്ങ് സിനിമയെ മതി.
അപ്പൊ ഹീറോ മീറ്റ്സ് വില്ലൻ.
Okay.
Wow.
Honest.
My days are darker than your nights. ഇത് വെറും ട്രെയിലറാണ് സാർ.
അപ്പൊ സിനിമ
Okay.
October 7th.
7 October.
Okay, so I think he is blind only.
Ah.
He cannot see, but somewhat like he will be witnessing some murder, and I think because of his blindness, the murderer will be like he will be not caught by the police, but somehow like he will be helping the police also to get rid of that riddle,
that can be
something
also
like
happen,
that.
or
It is a suspense thriller.
Or he is a original
probably.
CID officer, because he was saying, right?
I don't know, because I think he is just lying or something.
Or
No,
lying
not sure.
or something, or he
Ah.
might be he's on some case.
On
He's
case.
working, right? So he's performing like a blind man.
Blind
maybe
man.
maybe it can happen that
Maybe
as well,
that can
right?
be happened. Probably he is not at all blind. That is also can be
Yes,
happened. He's
that's
like
what. Yeah, I was
acting.
also confused
Ah.
because somewhat some person he was not looking like blind, and the confidently he was saying everything.
Every
It
single
feels
thing.
like he was just acting as a
Acting as a blind
right?
person.
So of course.
Actually, this वही मैं बोली ना, मतलब ये पृथ्वीराज सर का ऐसा ही खासियत है. The films always he does is having some twists.
right.
Okay, whether whatever films he has done so far in his life, you will be like seeing some interesting fact about that movie, and also some like fact which is very twist and turns will be there.
Of course, in this movie also he's might be
here also this
if
storyline.
if he's a CID officer, of course he might have been working on some of the cases, so he will see a lot of the twists and
Yes.
turns, and also he will do something to solve the case as well. So a lot of things he will handle, and we have seen a lot of the blind movie, like actor who is playing as a blind role. So of course playing as a blind role, always it's a very tough
Very
and
tough, because
challenging.
you have to see only at one
one
direction.
point you
and it is very
with
difficult.
the voice you don't you
Yeah.
doesn't need to react that where the people are there, just you
Yes.
need to listen and calmly wherever you are focusing
Very
that
difficult.
only.
Very
So that is
difficult.
very difficult.
Some people might have the problem of eye also because
Yes.
of that, but yes, they are actors, and we can expect a lot of things from them. And definitely I think the story point also, though we have seen a lot of movies which blind person are totally is the hero of that movie. We have seen a lot of movies, but this story point is very unique. Like a blind person who is like acting as a musician, somewhat like he is witnessing some murder or something, and police also is like calling him, and he is stating himself as a CID officer. So this story point, it's really interesting. By the way,
we didn't get the his original identity in this movie.
In this
Either
movie,
he's
we couldn't
musician
understand.
or CID officer. Later see the movie on 7th October
Yeah.
on Prime Video. So
this
we'll
is
get
going to
know.
be a very thrilling movie, and as well as a touch of humor also is
Yes.
there. A touch of थोड़ा कॉमेडी थोड़ा था जैसे रहता है, मतलब थोड़ा सा माहौल को थोड़ा कम बोर करने के लिए, because this kind of suspense thriller movies ended up having some boring content.
Right.
But
And
yes, they have maintained that thing
Yes.
कि थोड़ा कॉमेडी का टच था, and also little bit of steamy hot
Yes.
scenes also would be there.
Yes.
So
And I think
this
this
is
movie
strictly 18
probably-
plus maybe adult movie.
I don't think so. Maybe let's see.
मतलब I don't think क्या किस हो रहा था.
That's nowadays it's becoming normal,
Common.
right?
स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स भी करते हैं, राइट. बट नो, मुझे लगता है एडल्ट मूवी है.
बचपन का प्यार, right?
बचपन का प्यार. Yes.
So I think this movie is pretty much good. It will be a good movie as well, and I think it will be at least one time watch movie. It can
One
be,
time
right?
watchable. Like
It's
by
not
seeing
like
the trailer
it's-
only we can understand
Right.
that.
It like some movies that you need to watch, or you thinks like I will watch second time, third time, fourth time. But most probably for this movie, I will say genuinely that this will be one time
Yeah.
watch movie. Hopefully.
But after seeing the trailer, we are thinking that, but maybe the movie
We can
after
change
releasing
our
the movie, we
mind
can change
also.
our mind.
Right.
So 7th October को मूवी देखेंगे, and आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे. If you want to see our full movie review, you can definitely let us know, or otherwise we can, if we see the movie, we'll definitely share our reviews on our channel, because we really love this kind of suspense thriller movies, and really मतलब हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है, right?
Most of the time, because we generally most of the time see Saavdhan India
Saavdhan
or
India,
CID
ये सब हमें
episode.
बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Those things
We
we
really
love it,
enjoy.
and we in the spare time also, or most probably while having our dinner or lunch, during those time also we used to watch this kind of episode. So
Really?
I think in this movie
I'm
also
very much
we will be
looking
solving
forward to
something. Of course.
Brahmam, right? So yeah, that is it for today's video. I think Brahmam मतलब I don't know what is the meaning of Brahmam in Malayalam, but Brahmam मतलब हिंदी में जो होता है भ्रम, मतलब आप बोल सकते हो कि किसी चीज का भ्रम हो गया, मीन्स लाइक उसको क्या बोलते हैं,
हो करके भी नहीं है इस टाइप का, क्या राइट?
हो करके भी नहीं है ना. हाँ,
Right.
उसका
उस
एक
time.
वर्ड होता है भ्रम, मतलब this is my imagination,
Imagination.
right?
हाँ, बोल
Probably मैं हाँ बोल दे चुका है मतलब like somewhat like imagination, right? Bhram,
right.
some
Yeah.
imagination or something is imaginary, you can say. So I don't know in
Or
Malayalam
maybe
that is
Brahman,
only the thing, or
maybe
what?
it can be just so hiding its identity and showing something different to the people's from inside it he's
Not
different
revealing
thing,
thing,
not
not
revealing
revealing
thing.
the
Maybe
thing. Yes, maybe
we're
that
not
also
sure.
can be
Yeah,
there.
you guys can tell us
Please
what
let us know in the
does
comment
that
bar.
mean. Yes,
Okay.
we can search in the Google, but yes, let's communicate and tell us what is that.
Yeah. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Really enjoyed the whole video, and please let us know how you feel about this reaction and what is your perspective about this
Yes.
whole trailer and everything. If you have any hidden fact or any unknown things,
Right.
facts to tell us, please let us know in the comment bar. And we always read all of your comments, and that really increases our knowledge capability also as well, like
Yes.
get to know more about the
And
film and
it make
a
us
lot of
feel
things.
good
Yes,
also,
very
right?
much. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you love our reaction, please subscribe to our channel, guys, and also please click on the like button to like this video and
Yes.
share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then,
Bye.